Welcome back, kindergartners and writers. Last time we were together, you helped me out a lot. You helped me figure out what informative writing was, right? And that it teaches the reader true things about the world. We chose our place, Hawaii, did some research, and then planned out our book. And you even helped me finish my introduction. So I actually can cross off my introduction because I'm done with that. And this is why I love planning my writing, because I can see what I've completed and what else I need to work on. So check, introduction is done. Awesome. And now I'm going to write my first fact. Do you see my number 1 right there? Yeah. So I'm going to make sure I'm going to write my first fact today, and it's location. Can everyone say location? And that's where some place is found, right? Where is it located? Where do I go? So, I did research. Remember, I read some books on Epic and I found out where Hawaii is. And it's going to be my fact number 1. So come with me and help me write my first true fact about Hawaii in our book. Okay? So let's go. Okay, writers. So again, before we get started, let's make sure we have everything we need. Do I have my paper or book? Yes, check. Do I have my alphabet chart just in case I need help with spelling? Check. Do I have something to write with? Yes, check. All right, I am ready to go. So boys and girls, remember we had our title page, Exploring Hawaii by Mrs. Conception. And I made sure I put a placeholder for my table of contents. And then we wrote our introduction. Welcome to Hawaii. Did you know that Hawaii is the most visited state in the United States of America? Why? Let's find out. And now we're going to give the interesting facts about why people like to visit Hawaii. So my first one was, do you remember what that topic was that I said I wanted to put as my first fact? Yeah, location. So I'm going to write that on the very top. Location. And I'm going to underline it. And I like to use the same color for the titles on the top, just because it keeps it more consistent. But it's up to you, whatever style you like to use. And I'm going to think. How would I want to share this information? So location. I want to make sure I tell the reader that Hawaii is islands, right? And I also want to say that it's in the Pacific Ocean, because that's where it really is. It's like in the middle of the ocean. So I'm going to start by saying Hawaii is made up of 8 main islands. So Hawaii is made up of 8. I'm going to write just the number 8. 8 main islands in the Pacific Ocean. And that's the name of the ocean, so I wanted to capitalize those. In the Pacific Ocean. You'll need to fly there, because that's the only way to get to Hawaii. Or you can take a boat. Should I put that in there? Yeah, sure. I think that'd be an interesting fact. You will need to fly in a plane or take a boat to get there. Cool. I love it. And I think that I might want to draw. You know what? I really like the drawing I had in the front of the book. I really like that I had my 8 islands. So I think I'm going to draw the 8 islands. But this time, I'm going to write the ocean's name on it. And I'm also going to draw a boat and an airplane. You think I can do that? All right, let's try it out. So there's one main island here. Let's take a look. Ooh, there's 4 little islands clustered together like this. And then 3 more islands, 1 medium island, 1 smaller island, and 1 skinny island here. All right, so those are my 8 major islands. And then I said I wanted to draw a boat. So I'm going to draw a boat. That's kind of how the Polynesians got to Hawaii. They actually took a boat there in the middle of the ocean. Let's make sure that my markers are working. So there's my boat. And then let's draw an airplane. I'll do a purple airplane. Okay, so there's my airplane. Cool. And now I just need to color it and make sure it looks nice and complete. So I'm going to make sure that the ocean. Oh, and don't forget to write Pacific Ocean, right? Pacific Ocean. So they know that's where it is. Okay, so boys and girls, thank you so much for helping me with my first fact. I'm going to finish coloring this in a little bit while you guys get started on your writing. Okay? So boys and girls, I am going to finish coloring my 2 pages because I actually didn't finish coloring this first one. And I'm going to work on my fact number 1 over here. And next time for Writer's Workshop, we're going to add even more interesting facts about Hawaii. Okay? So I can't wait to see what you do for your first fact. Have fun, and off you go. See you next time. Bye.